Well, hello and welcome back to the channel. Today we're going to be talking about torque wrenches. We've got a couple here in front of us here, a 1/4 inch and a 3/8. Now every workshop, home workshop, needs a couple of torque wrenches, especially if you're doing lots of maintenance, oil changes, tyres, all sorts of goodies. You need torque wrenches to do it up to the right torque in your service book, your manual. You need to do this. You can't just the old good and tight. You need to do the right specs. And it's for safety as well. So let's have a look at first at the 1/4 inch. I find a 1/4 inch and a 3/8 is really all you need for motorcycles. The big 1/2 inch is more for cars and other things. So really you just need these two. Now the 1/4 inch is set in inch pounds, whereas the 3/8 you can set it in Newton meters. As you can see here, hopefully you can see that. There it is, inch pounds with, pull this lock down with the different gradients here. So let's for example say that we want 55 inch pounds. So we find the 55 there. So we wind it up. Hope you can see that. You can wind it up. Now you can see a line coming out the right hand side of the 55 and then going down to the center line. We want the 0 bang on that line. We keep going around. There we go. 55 inch pounds. We're ready to go. Now say if you wanted 58 inch pounds, all you do, so you're already on 55 with the 0, turn it round to get the 3 around to the bottom of the 55, and then that makes 58. That's how you do it. Of course, if you want more, you can turn that round right up to 12, I think, or 13.5 plus 55, and then back round to 0. So that's how you set the inch pounds on a 1/4 inch. Now on the other side, you do have Newton meters. Now the scale's pretty simple. I'll put up on the screen as well. It's 1 Newton meter equals 8.85 inch pounds, and 1 Newton meter equals 0.737 foot pounds. So it's not hard with the calculator to work that out, but I'll put that up on the screen. So that's the little 1/4 inch pound one. So let's have a look at the 3/8, and that's set in Newton meters. So again, say that we want 80 Newton meters, which is pretty high. Turn that lock around, pull that down, turn it around. Get the 0 right on the bottom of the line. There we are, 80 Newton meters. We wanted 82, we'd go around to 82. Turn that back right round here. Basically it's just going all the way down to pick whatever you like. Now on the 3/8, sorry, that's the Newton meters, and on the other side you've got foot pounds. So basically got the best of both worlds with the 1/4 inch and the 3/8. You've got Newton meters, foot pounds and inch pounds. It really does everything. Depending on what your service manual says or service book, you're going to find out which ones you need. Well, it's a pretty simple little video. I just want to talk about torque wrenches and how important they are and how easy they are to set. As long as you get that 0 on the bottom of the line and then adjust from there up, because you definitely do not want to over torque things, which has happened, or under torque them as well. Well, there you go. Well, I hope you enjoyed that little video, and we'll go out to the bike now and show you how to use it and what the click sounds like when using these torque wrenches. Right, let's go. Okay, I've got the 3/8 set up here on just an engine casing. What is that? The clutch side of the Harley. I've just put it on a very low torque setting because I don't know the exact setting of this. We don't want to over tighten things. Just so you can hear the click. So obviously you'd ratchet the bolt up or whatever you're doing up for torquing. Now another thing I just remembered before, these are not for taking bolts off. They're only for tightening up. You do not want to wreck the system inside the ratchet there, trying to reverse or take off a really stiff bolt, because you can strip things in there and it's not good. They are not for reversed, like left-handed threaded bolts either, just for normal right-hand bolts. Right, let's give this a ratchet it up. That's it. It's not a very loud click, but as you can hear, that's it. So when you got the right correct torque setting and you're doing it up, you keep ratcheting it up until you hear that click, and that's it. We're done. Well, thank you very much for listening to me go on about torque wrenches. I hope you enjoyed my little spiel. Just something out there, something to know, and just be careful to get the right torque setting. Alright, thanks for watching, and we'll talk soon.